Welcome back. So in the last video tutorial, I explained to you why I declared these two classes here in this OrderNowPanel class, simply because we need information from this class, which is the orders, and also we need to access this class as well, because this is where the information, this is where we put everything, we print everything, we display everything about the orders, right? So we need these two classes in this class. When we click the Order Now button, so we're gonna collect all those pieces of information and process them. So after declaring these two variables, pizza and info, we need to initialize them, of course. That's what we do. That's what we always do. When we declare instance variables or the global variables, we need to initialize them in the constructor. So I'm going to declare another variable of PizzaProductsPanel type. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it here. I'm going to change the name to P. And then another one, I'm just going to copy and paste this as well. Paste it here. I'm going to change the name into I. So, like what we did before, we need to assign the local to global. So I named it P, and the info is initialized to I. Okay, so that's what we do next after declaring these variables. But the thing is, after doing that, after changing or updating, after updating the constructor, look at our main form. It now has an error. So let's go back to the source code of that main form. Look, there is a button, there is a line here that is underlined. Let's show these two classes side by side. So the line that is the code that is underlined is line 317, and this is the OrderNowPanel. Okay, so what we just did was we updated the constructor of the OrderNowPanel class. So right now the constructor has three local variables. There are three parameters, but in the main form, the constructor call has only one variable, right? So they don't match. Again, like what we encountered before, there was a mismatch. So there is a mismatch again this time. So what shall we do here? So we shall match the constructor call and the constructor itself. So if the constructor has three variables, three parameters, there must be also three variables in this parenthesis, right? So what is the first one was okay, yeah? The first one is okay because that was already there. The second one is supposed to be PizzaProductsPanel. So now let's find that. Where is the creation of the PizzaProductsPanel? The PizzaProductsPanel is somewhere up here. PizzaProductsPanel. PizzaProductsPanel. I think it's here. PizzaProduct here. So this is the creation of the PizzaProductsPanel. So we need to copy the variable and then paste it down there. Where is the error? What is that again? Here you go. So we need to pass that also. We need to pass that to the constructor. That is the second. And then the third in the constructor is OrderInformationPanel. So let's find that. Where did we create that? OrderInformationPanel. Did you see that? Where is that? pizza information panel. Where is that? Here. Pizza, sorry, order information. Where is order information? Order information. Where are you? Order information. I cannot find it. I think order information panel creation. I think ordering. Okay, here I found it. Here, this is the creation of order information panel. So I'm gonna copy the name of that and paste it here. There you go. Now the error has been corrected. Yeah, the underline is gone. Let's save it. Okay, so I think we have successfully corrected the error. So the underline in the main source, the main form source code is corrected. So the constructor and the constructor call is now match. Yep. So that's how to correct the error. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to continue working on this OrderNowPanel class. See you then. Bye bye.